In this quick demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create items inside S3pos. Simply navigate to Administration and hit Inventory Management. You'll be faced with this screen, and there are 3 tabs on the left hand side: Product List, Product Category List, and In and Out. Now for Product List is where we actually create the new SKUs. Simply go to the top right hand corner and hit plus. Alright, now there are 4 switches here. Now for use, we can actually make a product unavailable by simply hitting this. Some people like to do this because they do not actually want to display some products, given that they have newer products in stock, or that they actually do not want to have employees sell certain SKUs in their inventory. Next, stock quantity. Now we allow customers to go into negative inventory simply by switching this off. Now if you turn off stock quantity, means that you will basically no longer track the amount of inventory in your system, which is not something I recommend, and whether you would allow customers to actually enjoy a discount on this item. You might want to switch off this discount tab for items that you explicitly do not want employees to give a discount for as well. Alright, last but not least is the service tab. Now if items are actually presented as a service, such as a 1-hour massage session or a repair of a mobile phone, you probably want to switch this tab on. It automatically switches stock quantity off because you don't need to track stock quantity on a service. For the instance of this demonstration, we're just simply going to turn these 3 on and service off. Now product name can be anything that you want. It has to be unique, so let's call it BCD. Okay, for product code, now this is what's interesting. S3pos is powerful enough to generate product codes on behalf of you. That means we can also generate barcodes for you on the fly. And this feature is completely free. That is correct. Simply hit the product code field and hit enter, and a new code will be generated for you. Now supposing you want to have multiple barcodes, you can just simply hit this plus button and add another barcode of your own, or even another unique tracking code. Now if you have your own barcodes already, all you simply need to do is to highlight this field and scan it using an infrared scanner, and the barcode field will be automatically populated for you. Now you can always add categories for your items, simply to keep more organized. For quantity, you can select the unit of measure. For minimum stock and maximum stock, these are basically thresholds for you to control how much stock you actually want to keep. Some retailers have told us they like to have par levels, so they would actually have a minimum stock of say 10 rather than 1. For notes, you can always add notes in order to actually keep a little bit of a remarks column on as a bit of an informative note. For example, do not sell this item after 5 p.m. It will be an internal reference. Now up here we have the retail price and the wholesale price. Retail price is basically what the majority of our customers will be buying at. Let's put it 10 bucks. And wholesale price is basically, if you allow customers access to wholesale prices, you will basically give a number here as well. You can also add multiple iterations of these 2 prices simply by clicking the plus buttons on either field. Now for an image, let's click a handsome picture of my friend over here, Mr. Peter Raw, and upload this picture as the SKU picture. All you need to do now is to hit save, and your item is ready. Now close this, and you will actually see your item included in your store right away. Now in order for you to actually export your SKUs, all you need to do is navigate to the top right hand button to the export Excel file, and there you go. You will actually see it right down here. Alright, S3pos always allows you to export and import your data with a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet easily. That's all I have for you today.